Hello everyone, let's learn how to make a poster. In the exam or even in your daily life, whether you become a professional or you are a child, poster making ਤਾਂ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ poster making competitions ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ professional ਜਦੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ children those who are good at drawing there is another avenue for them they can make good posters and earn enough. All right. So, but what is the format of a poster? Format की है poster का? See, as such, there is no hard and fast rule. Like, what should be a particular format of a poster? But what every child must do is, if they are preparing for the exam, they must at least know that they fulfill the basic requirements. Okay. See, as I've told you, there is no hard and fast rule for the format of the poster. कोई पक्का रूल नहीं कि इतना ही पोस्टर होना चाहिए. It is up to the creativity of the child. कि ज़रूरी है कि क्वेश्चन ध्यान नाल पढ़िया जाए. As I always say, क्वेश्चन पढ़ना सब तो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. क्वेश्चन तो से ठीक तरह नाल पढ़ लिया ना, things are going to be correct automatically. 50% of the work is done. ठीक है. Even if you go in a professional life, जो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਅੱਧੇ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. See next. These are the basic things that you cover in your poster and rest is up to you as many add-ons you want to add in your poster to make it look attractive. Okay. What is the foremost thing? Name of the issuing authority. Issue कौन कर रहा है? It can be either on the top, उत्ते भी आ सकता है, थल्ले भी आ सकता है, contract information दे नाल. It depends upon your need, upon your creativity. पर पता तो होना चाहिए ना कि मैं issue कितना. ठीक है? Next is tagline. Tagline can be attractive, something related to the question. जो मंगे उधर नाल related. Like for example, if it is a poster on female feticide, save girl, child, ऐदा करके anything, educate a girl, educate a family, girl education का अगर आ गया, अगर water का आ गया, save water is precious, okay, anything, it can be as much attractive as you feel like writing. Then is title or name of the event. Whatever title you want to give, it will again depend upon the question. Question किस तरह का है. Special attractions if you have, like for example कोई blood donation camp है, या if there is some competition in your school and the chief guest is the education minister, something like this. These are the special attractions that you can add on in your posters. After that, illustrations with a caption, illustrations, कोई pictures. See, poster का वास्ते you are writing a poster to attract public. वो attractive होना चाहिए. Next is बेटे, if there is any event going to take place, when will that event take place? Date, time, and then if there is entry fee, or if there are some other, details that are required to be told to the public, सारियां लिखनियां ने. हुन देखो जे कोई इवेंट नहीं है ना, स्मोकिंग इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, स्मोकिंग का कोई उधर प्रोज कॉन्स लिखते बेटा, जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा योर पोस्टर विल लुक लाइक दिस ओनली, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. थिंग्स मे वेरी, इट इज अप टू द क्रिएटिविटी, बट एटलीस्ट व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज सी चीज़ां ਨੂੰ इंक्लूड करो. ठीक है. इशूइंग अथॉरिटी के नाम उत्ते भी आ सकता, थल्ले भी आ सकता. कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन तां दित्ती जाती है इन केस इफ देयर इज एनी इवेंट और that you are planning to organize. अगर audience ਨੂੰ या viewers ਨੂੰ, people those who are looking at the poster, they have any information that they want to ask, और ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ हैं. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ है. आई होप थिंग्स आर क्लियर. पोस्टर इज वेरी ईजी बेटे, 4 नंबर का पोस्टर आएगा. नाले इफ यू गेट इट इन द एग्जाम, there is an internal choice between poster, notice, then advertisement, and then which invitation and which internal choice आ सकती. कोई दो आंदे होंगे +2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. For +1 children you have notice advertisement poster and na vichon koi choice aanu okay. And in general, if you talk of your life, it is look at the different posters around to take ideas, and that will let you know how to make an attractive poster. Be a good viewer, be a good visualizer. Look at things around and try to grasp knowledge from everywhere wherever you can. I hope you have understood the basic thing what is required in a poster. Format is of 1 mark. Format, that means ki at least you write the name of the issuing authority, tagline de do koi, you can draw some illustrations, koi pictures वगैरह draw करो. Special attraction कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है, अगर कुछ देना चाहते हो तो दे सकते हो. And then this is basically A वाली चीज़ जानो. A तो वही ना, issuing authority, tagline दे सकते हो, name of the event या टाइटल, कुछ कोई तो टाइटल दोगे अपने किस पोस्टर नो किस चीज़ का पोस्टर है. देन illustration with caption, illustrations draw करोगे, it will look attractive. Then if it is any event that is going to be organized, that you are planning to organize, ਉਹਦੇ which like this thing is very important. अगर if it is not any event and you are telling about some topic, ਉਹਦੇ वास्ते then you have to write something else instead of it pros cons लिखते. Okay, I hope things are clear. Have a nice day.